Yo, what is good today, you guys? It's your boy 843 Fishing here on today's video. Now, y'all don't believe this. Y'all will not believe this, what I just did. Whew. Your boy finally bought him a kayak. Your boy bought him a yak. Man, look, I bought it. I was scared to get on it, but got used to it now. Kind of got used to it now. Just agitated with it. But also on this video today, we got special guests. We got your boy Fishing with Big J out there. Oh, I can see him already, but he out there fishing with the old lady. You know, come out here today, have fun on the kayak, break a PB, and also make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, and also join the 843 Fishing gang. And I'm out. Jay, come back here. Just come back here. Just come back over here. Just come over here. Just bring gas. Bring gas. A lot of movement. Huh? Yeah. Get your net. Come on, take your time. Take your time. Take your time and fight him. Take your time. Take your time, 843. On the kayak. That's a jack.
Stay your run. What the hell?
Come on.
Hey, get your run.
What about it? I ain't worried about that. He ain't falling. Oh, man.
Man, pick that bitch in.
Let's go.
God damn.
That's a big old jack, baby. Didn't I tell you that was a big jack over there? Didn't I tell you that? I told you that was a big jack. I told you. I said, bro, that's not a bass. That's a big old jack, dog. I said, bro, that's not a bass. It's a big jack. Have you ever seen a fisherman hold a jack with pliers?
Guess what? The day could be the day, motherfucker.
It will at least be the bottom lip for me. You got the goddamn top lip.